Moving west from the city, we enter the vibrant heart of London, the West End. We start at Trafalgar Square, often considered the geographical center of the capital. Dominated by Nelson's Column, it commemorates the naval victory at the Battle of Trafalgar in 1805. On the northwest corner sits the fourth plinth, hosting a rotating display of modern art commissions. At its base sit four massive bronze lions, each weighing 7 tons and guarding the square. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. From here, a short walk along Pall Mall brings us to the neon glow of Piccadilly Circus. Famous for its massive electronic billboards, this junction has been a landmark since 1819. The statue of Eros in the center is actually Anteros, the god of selfless and mature love. Next, we head to Leicester Square, the red carpet heart of British cinema culture. With over 50 star-studded film premieres a year, it's where Hollywood meets the West End. A permanent trail of bronze statues like Mary Poppins and Harry Potter are hidden around the square. Just a few blocks away, the atmosphere shifts as we enter the historic Covent Garden. Once a fruit and vegetable market, the 17th century piazza is now a hub for shopping and dining. The neoclassical market building seen today was designed by Charles Fowler and opened in 1830. Street performers have entertained crowds here for centuries in front of the iconic halls. Nearby, the Royal Opera House serves as the prestigious home of the Royal Ballet and Royal Opera. I'm Eric Carey, and we're on a mission to reach a huge milestone, 1,000 subscribers. Hitting 1,000 subscribers represents our continued commitment to improve the channel and provide the best for you. Help us reach our goal by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell. Your subscription also helps us know what type of content you want to see more of. It's a shared journey. The goal is in sight, and with your help, we can reach it together. Join our growing community today. I'm committed to bringing you more value and better quality as we grow this channel to new heights. Thank you for being part of this. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more updates. Our walk now turns south toward the River Thames and the seat of British power. The Palace of Westminster, with its neo-Gothic spires, is the architectural heart of government. Rising above it is the Elizabeth Tower, known to the world by the name of its great bell, Big Ben. A recent restoration returned the clock hands to their original Victorian Prussian blue color. The ancient Westminster Hall is the only significant medieval structure to survive the fire of 1834. Standing between the Abbey and the Palace is St. Margaret's, the parish church of the House of Commons. Next door is Westminster Abbey, the setting for every British coronation since 1066. From royal weddings to the famous Poets' Corner, the Abbey is the nation's spiritual memory. The West End has shared its secrets, but Part 3 awaits with the royal parks and palaces. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content.